Hello everybody, today's video is about hull repair. The first signs of problem I noticed is this cushion here to be wet. The first thought was that this window was leaking, and it is leaking, but not that day because there was no rain. All this area was wet and the cushion was wet here too. So I remembered that just below this window here was a damage to the hull. From the beginning I bought the boat. So here, just below this window, here you can see a little damage. I assumed it to be just cosmetical thing, but apparently it's a through hull hole. It is leaking. So what I'm going to do, I think that the damage is here. I even just can feel it, and I'm going to remove this plank, this wooden plank, and maybe cut this carpet from here to here and down here around this damaged place, and just glue a few layers of fiberglass on this area. Here it is. After I accessed to the edge of this carpet, I noticed that it is peeling off very easily. So I maybe won't cut it here, just peel it off from this edge and under this plank. I will do nothing on the exterior because it is not very much visible, and let it stay as it is. Interestingly, there's a lot of rivets. The good thing, I don't need to cut this carpet and just peel it off. And here is the damage. Here it is. Now I just need to sand this off. And glue on some fiberglass. I'll be using this sanding discs, 100 grit. Unfortunately they are not perforated, so a little bit more dust will be spread in my boat. It is much smoother now, but still these white spots are the delaminated layer. I need to remove it. Here is removed it already, but this one still needs to be removed. So I must sand it even more. So after lots of sanding, which is very boring, I removed all the delaminations and now I can glue on new layers of glass. I'll be using this chopped strand, which I like very much, and I hope to put about 4 or 5 layers of it. Here I've got some pieces remaining from the last repair, and you just tear it like this and get pieces like that. So how much do I need? Plenty plus more, and then it's enough. Okay, let's wait how much it is that. So I need the same amount of epoxy resin. So I need to put epoxy 84 grams. Plenty plus more, it's enough. I need to add 23 grams of hardener now. Plenty plus more. Brake cleaner will be a good degreaser. Perfect. So let's start gluing. What I don't like here is that the glass is not becoming transparent. It is still white. Hope it will soak through. Okay, this was a wasting of resin as I put it too much, but plenty plus more is enough. I mixed additionally some 30 grams of resin. It is way too much resin here. As you can see here, it comes. So I think it's finished. I think it's finished. It would be nice to put something soft and to press it down. Maybe I'll put back this carpet again. And maybe I press it with the cushion. I can put this one here. Just I need to press somehow. Okay, that's it. This is how it looks like now. I just put it in such a way. That's it. Now I'll be waiting till tomorrow. It is next day now, 7 p.m. and I finished yesterday at 10 p.m. So a lot of time for the resin to cure, and let's see how it worked. So there's some unexpected happened. The resin soaked through here, and that carpet is glued on now in this place. But not much, luckily. So here it is. It is cured well. Let's peel it away. Perfect. I just need to sand this sharp edges away. I can just try first cut it with a knife. And it works quite well. That's it. Perfect. In the daylight I found another surprise here, as the resin came through the hole to the outside and ran down here. And it stick to the paint quite well, so I hoped to have nothing to do here, but apparently I need to do something. So let's glue the carpet back to its place. Here it is. And I'll be using spray glue. Never used it before. It's the first time. Let's see how it goes. I sprayed both surfaces with the glue, now waiting for 15 minutes to dry, and then I'll press them together. It is a very limited space to make a good shots of video, but hope you will understand what is going on. So 15 minutes passed, the surfaces are not sticky anymore. And now I'm going to press them together. Maybe this lamination roller will help. Okay, that's it. But it worked quite well. I'm happy. The last thing to do is to put this plank back to the edge of the carpet. So finally I put all the screws back. Struggled a lot, was laying here and rolling, and I didn't manage to film that process, but they are here. It is sealed and strong now, but the exterior is not good. I should do something to make it look nicer. So that's it with this repair.